Oh my god, what the fuck are you doing? Ah!
I just wanted to step on the scale. That's all. That's all.
She was just standing there. She was just standing in my door.
Okay. Okay, very nice. Very nice.
That scared the shit out of me. I knew you were gonna say thick, chat. Fucking all of you. Marisa got cake. Well, that is her job. Damn those thighs. They're just talking about your ass, Marisa, and thighs.
Ass? Must
Yeah.
be nice. Bah! Pretty good looking.
Careful, my Twitch channel is in the balance.
Oh. Guys, I have a Twitter account too.
Get
Sometimes
off.
I stream on Twitch.
Oh my god. Okay, can you grab fucking packages?
Sure, I can grab packages.
Thank you.
Just pull up my pants. 'Cause they're getting real tight. I'll go maybe. Which way do you want me to leave?
I see where you've wiped your hands on your ass because you're
Yeah.
an absolute gremlin. Hey, I'm gonna change camera if you keep doing this shit. Stop it!
I was working. I stole a bunch of your stones. I hope you don't mind.
I do mind.
They're mine now.
Okay.
And I turned
Well-
them into mud with a bunch of water.
Wow.
Bunch of water.
Okay.
I'll see you later. You want more packages?
Yeah, please.
Okay.
Thanks. I don't know what the fuck this is. It just says face shadow and it's scary. Where do I put the garbage? There. Is it? What is it? Someone else has gotta know. Someone else has gotta know. Good, good. Ooh. Oh, she showed her ass, didn't she?